Hey Flovers, the straightest sus people you will ever meet.
What do you mean by that?
Today, for my daily, I know you guys love this one. What we have to do is we have to replace the radiator because there's a leak underneath the radiator. I guess I hit it or something like that, so that's what we're gonna do today. I really don't know how to do it. I watched one YouTube video, but it can't be that hard, right? This is not a tutorial on how to replace the radiator, just an update because I don't really post. So we're just gonna time-lapse a lot of this, all right? If you have any questions, hit me up on Instagram. I'll put my link and all that good, nice stuff on the bottom. All right, let's go. I need to get the impact done. I got it. Now let's continue.
What the fuck?
So I put the antifreeze, not antifreeze, coolant, I put too much. So now I don't know how to get it out because it's like right up to here. So we're gonna do this together. I'm about to just pull it out, say fuck it, right? Fuck! Fuck, 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 fuck! Oh, that was so bad. All right, so it took me like 3 hours to do. I got crazy amount of cuts on my hands. Oh, my hands are look at this. But whatever, I finished. I just gotta put the bumper back on. It's about to start raining, so I'm pretty much done with the video. Like I said, it was just a little checkup, just to post a video, see what's up. A lot more shit to come.